Life 20 years from now is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell button like you're in an Indian temple. You asked for it and now you have it. Our life 20 years from now. We should be able to do a lot of clever things. For example, right now, I can make this fly just by using a Droid device you can get on Amazon. We should be able to send this phone to the nearest grocery store to fetch us a bottle of milk. Filmmakers and content creators are already looking at ways to optimize their creation for a smaller screen. In 20 years time, we should be looking at the release of the next Transformers movie, and the poster will look something like this. Launching in a pocket near you. Security is going to be a key thing in the future. So if you were walking alone in London in the middle of the night, then you'd want your phone to be able to do something for you. Well, it can in the future. What it'll be able to do is wherever you're going, if you search it in Google, your phone will actually fly out to the route that you mentioned, and it'll actually scan the streets for any possible dangers or signs. If, for example, your phone finds out that there's a person who is up to no good, your phone will actually scan their retina, and if your phone finds out that this person should not be where they are right now, your phone has the ability to spray pepper spray in their eyes. If you're an artist, already there's so much we can do with our phones. We can play violin, guitar, we can edit music, we can edit videos, but in the future, everything's about to change, because in the future what's going to happen is we're no longer going to talk about people hanging off the ceilings and painting the chapel. The biggest art is going to be to try and stay away from your phone for 3 days. With automation already in our doorstep, it's not long before our next generation is not going to need a driving license. If you don't have a driving license and you're not actually driving, you're just a passenger, you can't actually get pulled over, and there might still be an element of police brutality in the future. So having the technology on our side is going to be amazing, because when the cops pull you over, you can just use your phone as a projector and project a different driver next to you. Depending on who pulls you over, you can just change your projection to be whoever you want it to be. It could be Kumar, it could be David, or it could just be T'Challa. If there's no driving license and there's no test, that means there's no minimum age, which means in the future, toddlers will be able to drive the cars around wherever they want to go. They'll be able to play capture the flag with their buddies by being in the back seat of the car. They'll just say, "Goo goo, gaga, goo goo, control the world, the whole city, I want the whole city." As optimistic as I am about the future, I know that we're going to find so many ways just to break the system and find the worst possible ways of playing with the technology. So instead of using drones to solve crime, we're going to use the drone to record our cats and then sell it to You've Been Framed. And there you have it. What's going to happen 20 years from now? A totally researched and science-based video for your needs. Make sure you click subscribe, because I'm stuck in this box called internet and I need those points to get out of here.